Greetings to all. Today we, the Constitution Coders, are here to present to you a project that will be developed by us regarding the awareness of the laws of Constitution. Our problem statement is 1703 and the title is Let's Learn Constitution in a Simpler Way. As we all know that Constitution serves as a bedrock of democracy. So, with this website, we aim to make this vital document accessible and understandable to the people of different ages and background. The idea is to implement a web platform named as Nagarik Utsavidhan with the two different sections. So the first section is the simplified version of the Constitution and the second one is the gamified format. The platform focuses on simplifying the preamble, the fundamental rights, the directive principles of the state policy, and the fundamental duties of the Constitution. Now, driving you through the details of the website as we begin, we are going to get an option of the language. So, if the user selects a Hindi language, then the tabs will be translated into the Hindi language, which means that the users have a choice to select the language that they are comfortable with. Now, let me take a moment to introduce the four tabs of this platform that will guide your journey. The first tab is the sections of the Constitution. Here, we have simplified the complex language of the Constitution, offering a simplified version that breaks down each and every section in an easy format. In this section, we have organized the laws by the specific categories such as the women's right, the farmers' right, the defense policies, the education, and many more. That means that whether you are a legal expert or just getting started, this project will provide clarity about the laws. Next is the gamified section with the different games such as the quiz game, the card game. In the quiz game, here the law will be mentioned and then the user has to identify to whom the law is related. In the card games, there are two different ways. The first is the personality has to be selected by the user, say the farmer or the woman, and then the website is going to mention the laws that are related to it. Or the second way is that we will provide you with a real life scenario and then you have to select the law that is applicable for it. This active learning approach helps to solidify your understanding about the laws in a better way. Also, there will be a soft copy of the Constitution for those who want to access the Constitution in a complete form. Moreover, there will be a keyword search functionality in order to access the content in a short of time. Lastly, we believe in the continuous improvement and value your input. So there is going to be a feedback section as well so that we can take your feedbacks and implement them in our website. Our website is more than a digital space to read the Constitution. It is an immersive education experience that encourages active learning and participation. So whether you're simplifying your understanding, having fun with the games, or deep diving into the original text, we have something for each and every one. With this, we look forward to your explorations of the constitutions with us. Thank you.